If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Alright, let's check out Xikers then. We're not doing 4K right now. Not when I'm streaming. Sometimes it handles it, sometimes it just drops the stream. It's mostly my computer. I think my computer has like a year and a half left. Ooh. Woo! Hold up! Care about a thing? Hey, hey! Ooh, they got energy! Hey, 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 hey! Woo! Very 80s vibes, like the chorus. I mean, it's KQ Entertainment, so what do you expect? Ooh, let me see how it drops. Ooh, yeah. Let's go, Xikers. God damn, this shit in a concert is going. Oh, wow. Bruh, there's so much energy in this. So much energy this thing can produce a fucking spirit bomb. Is that Manchester United jersey? I love you guys. You know what? I'm gonna fucking be a fan. I'm gonna stand you guys wearing Manchester United. You know what? Hold on, let me see that. Hey, yo. That's it, I'm standing them. As you guys know, I'm a Manchester United fan. Judge me all you want, I don't care. Wait, who's the one wearing the Man United jersey? Like, they have the drop kind of reminds me of like an 80s drop a little bit, but they still keep like their own color. If that makes sense. I mean, they're hella young too. They just debuted, so I'm gotta give them time, y'all, to find themselves as well, or at least like the producers to find their color for Xikers too. Ooh. Hunter is high. Ooh. God damn. Bro, they got me head bopping like I'm a cockatoo or some shit like that. What is that bird that always goes like this? That bird. Woo. Feeling like a star. God damn. Bro, I don't even know what's happening in the story. They're goblins though. That's their concept, right? 1, 2, 1. Stop it. Oh my god, this in concert be crazy. That shit go hard. Like, I would love to, like, I need to go see them live. If I were to. Jesus Christ, they powered the fuck up. Bro, that's not even a Man United jersey, isn't it? Oh, I got jebaited. Did I get jebaited? Did your boy get jebaited? Oh, it's a Balenciaga jersey. Is that Balenciaga? Like, kind of looking like a Manchester United jersey. It's fire. It's fire. It's fine. I got debated. Song's still fire though. Don't look at the disappointment on my face finding out this wasn't a Manchester United jersey. But Song is fire. It goes hard. I can't wait to see it live when you guys go on tour, which I know you probably will maybe. And yeah, I seen them as openers for ATs and they're definitely 10 out of 10. Oh shit, 10 people? Yeah, there's 10 people. Their concept is goblins, and AT's concept is pirates, right? I think Goblin, like I think Tricky House or Goblin House was a very clever concept. It was confusing a little bit in the beginning, and then I got a hold of. I just like the weird concept of that, like especially the music video looks fire. Rockstar is a fucking good B-side. Yeah, Xikers, let's go.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.